Module Overview. Tourism is not an isolated activity, but a complex, dynamic system that consists of interrelated and interdependent components. This module provides an advanced and comprehensive exploration of the tourism system model, emphasizing its structural components, processes, and the diverse stakeholders that contribute to the effective operation of the industry. At its core, the tourism system is an open and adaptive system, influenced by external environmental forces, political, economic, technological, social, legal, environmental, and internal mechanisms, transportation, accommodation, attractions, travel intermediaries, and support services. Understanding the systemic nature of tourism allows tourism planners, businesses, governments, and developers to create strategic frameworks that support sustainable and profitable growth. Furthermore, this module places special emphasis on the stakeholders of tourism, from tourists and destination communities to governmental agencies, private investors, NGOs, and international organizations. Each stakeholder group plays a vital role in shaping experiences, policies, operations, and sustainability outcomes across the tourism value chain. 3.1. Understanding the tourism system. The tourism system is multidimensional and includes tourist generating region, TGR, where tourists originate, their home country or location. Transit routes, TR, transportation networks and intermediary stops. Tourist destination region, TDR, the area where tourism activities occur. Tourist industry, TI, the combination of services and goods offered to tourists. Environment, E, both natural and built environments affected by and affecting tourism. Leiper's Basic Tourism System, 1979. One of the most influential models is Neil Leiper's tourism system, which includes tourist, human element, the person engaging in travel. Geographical elements, generating region, where demand originates. Transit region, route from origin to destination. Destination region, where activities are experienced. Tourism industry, all businesses and services supporting the trip. Environment, physical, cultural, political, and social environment surrounding the system. 3.2 components of the tourism system. A. Attractions. These are the pull factors that motivate tourists to travel. They could be natural, mountains, beaches, cultural, festivals, heritage sites, man-made, theme parks, landmarks, or special interests, sports, shopping, conventions. B. Accommodation provides rest and shelter to tourists. Includes hotels, motels, resorts, guest houses, homestays, Airbnb hostels, lodges, campsites. C. Transportation connects all points in the tourism system. Air, international and domestic airlines. Land, buses, cars, trains, motorbikes. Water, ferries, cruises, boats. D. Intermediaries. Tourism intermediaries bridge the gap between suppliers and tourists. Travel agencies, tour operators, online travel agencies, OTAs, e.g., Booking.com, Expedia destination management companies, DMCs. E. Support services. These include financial services, currency exchange, mobile banking, communication, telecom, internet access, medical services, guides, translators, security, and emergency services. 3.3. Tourism. Stakeholders. Stakeholders are individuals, groups, or institutions who influence or are influenced by tourism operations. Their alignment is crucial for sustainable tourism development. A. Primary stakeholders. Tourists, the central consumers of tourism services. Tourism businesses, lodging, food, entertainment, transportation providers. Host communities, local residents affected positively or negatively by tourism. Government agencies, tourism ministries, immigration, customs, local councils, investors, provide financial capital for tourism infrastructure and business. B. Secondary stakeholders, NGOs, and civil societies, promote responsible tourism, cultural preservation, environmental protection. Media, influence perceptions and branding of destinations. Academia and research institutions provide knowledge, training, and evaluation. International organizations, UNWTO, United Nations World Tourism Organization, WTTC, World Travel and Tourism Council, ICAO, IATA, UNESCO. 3.4. The tourism supply chain. Tourism is delivered through a multi-tiered supply chain involving raw providers, natural sites, heritage custodians, processing entities, planners, infrastructure developers, distributors, tour operators, agents, retailers, travel websites, hotel booking apps, support systems, government regulations, environmental oversight. Each stage adds value, creates jobs, and must coordinate to ensure seamless travel experiences. 3.5. Roles and responsibilities of key stakeholders. Stakeholder role. Responsibility. Tourist demand creator. Travel behavior. Responsible conduct. Tour. Operator experience designer. Curate packages. Logistics. Local government regulator policy. Infrastructure. Safety. Local community. Cultural bearer hosts. Protectors of heritage. NGO. Watchdog monitor sustainability. Community rights. Investor financier. Build hotels. Resorts. Attractions. 3.6. Interdependencies and coordination. Effective tourism requires synergy and coordination between all system parts. Airports depend on immigration officers, airlines, and ground transport. Attractions need safety measures, guides, and promotion. Hotels rely on staff, maintenance, utility providers, and customer feedback systems. Disruption in one area, e.g., strikes, political instability, environmental disaster, affects the entire system. 3.7. Destination Management Organizations. DMOs. DMOs are strategic bodies that manage destination branding and marketing, visitor experience design, crisis management, public-private partnership development. Examples: Nigerian Tourism Development Corporation, NTDC, Visit Britain, Destination Canada, Tourism Australia. 3.8. Tourism system and sustainability. Tourism systems must be designed with sustainable principles, balancing economic viability, cultural integrity, social justice, environmental protection. Stakeholders must implement carrying capacity controls, sustainable transportation, community benefit sharing, green building standards. Learning outcomes for Module 3. By the end of this module, you will be able to define and analyze the core components of the tourism system, map and explain the functional structure of LIPER's tourism system, identify and assess the roles of various tourism stakeholders, evaluate the interdependencies and coordination mechanisms within the system, understand the importance of sustainable, inclusive tourism system design.